I feel like this is a cooking show. Don't you?
It is, it's cooking my hair.
All of the toilet paper may be gone from the store, but check the hair color because there may be some of that left.
Uh-oh.
Hello. And whoa, hello. Well, yeah. You can tell this is a professional job.
So one of the memes on Facebook has been, whatever you do, don't go to boxed hair color. Sorry, but that just has to happen because my hair is way too gray and I need to get it covered. I'm very thankful that I have a hairdresser that is available and willing to do this for me. So we're gonna get it all set up and you get to see it.
Hello, everybody. Yeah, you just thought I was the husband, but I'm much more than that. I am her hairdresser. And as you can see here, I have dressed up just beautifully. I've got on my formal attire. Check out the clogs with no socks. And been getting some comments about my hairdo. Well, we want to keep this real. This is quarantine. Shout out to Greg Speck. All right, let's get started. She called for an appointment earlier this morning and I rearranged my schedule to fit her in. Here you go, sweetie. We use Loreal because she's worth it. I mean, we are really sharing a lot with you. I'm sharing you these ridiculous clogs and the fact that we use this instead of a professional hairdresser. It saves a lot of money and it keeps my lovely wife looking good all the time. And it's foolproof, naturally, because I couldn't do it if it weren't. So what we do first, I'm gonna put the gloves on. This is fancy stuff, you all. Now the gloves are just a little too small for me, so I about bust out of these things.
How long, honey, have you been doing my hair?
I've been doing your hair since Dubai.
Since we moved to China.
Since we moved to China. That's right.
4 years.
4 years.
Yeah.
Sweetie, how much does that cost, that hair treatment?
About $12 US.
Yeah. And we have a fun time doing this, don't we?
Oh yeah.
It doesn't take long. We're gonna show you right now how to do this. First thing we do is the pre-conditioner. I mean, we're sharing everything with our viewers. We're getting things done during quarantine. We're not taking no for an answer. We're even doing hair. Why not? Okay, that's all of it. It's gone. We just niche this in right here. This part is not that critical. You just kind of got to get it on there because it's going to mix with the other chemicals when you start working those in. Right, babe?
Yes, it is.
Fantastic. All right, now the next thing we do is this is the color. Now this is a two-step process. And whoa, hello. Well, yeah. You can tell this is a professional job. And we take this and we squirt it in there, and you want to get it all in there, and you want to try not to have this thing shoot out from up underneath you like this may actually start doing here if I get too excited. You want to get all this stuff out of there like that, and you get down to the bottom. Look at that special technique, everybody. Think of how much money you're gonna save by doing this. Think of how much fun you're gonna have while you do this in quarantine. Look, all of the milk may be gone, all of the toilet paper may be gone from the store, but check the hair color because there may be some of that left.
You may as well make use of your husband while he's home with you.
Heck yeah, make use of your husband. All right, here we go. So I'm using the comb attachment right there. This has little holes that bring the material. Isn't it great being able to share all this with our friends and family?
Who says you can't be masculine and do your wife's hair?
Hello, okay. Who says that you can't learn new tricks?
Oh.
Oops. I'm glad I didn't get any of that in your eyes. And what we want to do is get it really even here on the tips where you have some of the gray. Yeah, if you're over 40 years old, you know all about that. For sure. If you don't, you're a liar. Liar, liar, pacifier. And we continue to work this in. Now you want to work it in, babe, you want to lift it up a little bit. You want to work it in to the top of the scalp and really take this comb part and just get the different layers. I'm having so much fun doing this. Are you having fun, sweetie? Doesn't this do a great job?
Yeah, it does. And it's $12.
I know some ladies that pay like $250 to get their hair colored, and a lot of it's an emotional thing. You know, they got their friend and they got Suge who gives them a glass of white wine, and they talk and all that. You know, you talk to them right now and you're gonna get the coronavirus, right? So this is for protection also. Save money, protect your wallet, and protect you against the virus, right, baby?
Mm-hmm.
I love being your hairdresser. I love being many things to you, sweetie. We have fun, don't we?
We do.
Yes, we do.
And you do such a great job.
Thanks, love. Well, you know, I was really good at finger painting back in kindergarten. And this, no skills. You know, they say what you learn in kindergarten will take you for the rest of your life. And that is true.
Then again, maybe all the grays that I have are created by stress created by you.
Oh, by me? For what? Doing your hair?
No, just lice. I'm kidding.
Oh. I hear that. Okay, you want this to turn out well, don't you? You don't want like funny colors or crazy things happening, so.
Thank goodness the kit is pretty foolproof. Uh-oh.
You want to kind of just massage this in.
This is the best part.
Yeah. See, most people wouldn't show you this part of their private life, especially during quarantine. But we love you guys. We care about your you not getting the coronavirus and also about your bank accounts. We appreciate you being subscribers, so we're sharing all this stuff. You know, we're practically family now, aren't we, sweetie?
Yep. And it's good teamwork and collaboration.
Now's when I tell her to start the clock, and we go 30 minutes. Now's when I take off the gloves, and after 30 minutes, she's going to use, it comes with this special conditioner. She's going to use half of this when she showers and gets the color out. It's going to help condition her hair. Then she's going to save the other half to use a week later. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
And then voila, that's pretty much it. All the ingredients have been used with the exception of this. Okay, I feel like this is a cooking show. Don't you?
It is, it's cooking my hair.
Cooking your hair, and this stuff, whatever's in it, probably does do a little cooking, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, for sure.
In a good way. Okay,